I finally broke down, and I am joining the world of the Zippy Looms. I got the master set, and then I got one of these and one of these. So we can kind of see what's what and where your best value lays. Now, first of all, these right here, I believe they are like $7.99 a piece without any coupons. So that's like $14 to $16 for this right here. This was $30 for the whole kit. So I'm going to start with opening up the kit first. Of course, I did wait until I had a coupon, and I got the kit off of the KB website. Let me see, is the box empty? Yes. Now the box says 4 Zippy, 4 corner, 10 connectors. Okay. And I'm not even sure what that means. Oh, I'm going to say these are the connectors. Shouldn't that be what the corners are? Alright guys, you know how I do. I ain't reading no directions. We're just going to play and figure out what it is. Alright, well, I'm messing with this. Ask you guys some questions. Oh wow, that's weird. So, any of you who have used this loom, absolutely let me know what you think. Whether it's a good investment, a bad investment, yarn you like to use on it. Okay, that's pretty. Oh, and that snaps in. Oh, okay. And to be honest, KB is really the only company that puts out a, we'll make a square, that puts out connecting looms so far that I found that I actually like, where they stay connected good. Because you can hear these. Actually, if I'd stop talking, you might be able to hear them, but listen. That was a snap. Like, I seen the pieces in the stores, but just seeing this up close, it's so much bigger than I expected. And to me, I couldn't justify spending $8 for just one of these. Like, seriously guys, what am I going to do with this? Like, so I just waited and waited and then waited a bit more and decided, you know what, I'm just going to get a whole kit. Alright, now let me see how easy it is to get. Let's put that in first. Snappity snap. And then another snappity snap. Make sure the lines are all facing the same way. Look, it has a smiley face. Is that the only one? Oh, the beginning of each one has a smiley face. It's a happy little loom. Wow, and this thing actually has some weight to it. Kind of surprised. Now, what the heck are these? Do I read the directions or do I try to just figure it out? Oh, I think... Alright, guys. Okay, so the connectors. Okay, you can use them to connect the pieces, or if you want to connect them like this, connect them long ways. So we will try that out and see how well that works. And I will open up the other ones and we'll see what all they come with as well. And of course this one, it's got a like 20-page little book with it. I'm going to zip through the book. Okay, it tells you how to bind off, cast on. Got a few chunky patterns here. That yarn's really pretty. Some different stitches, some different configurations. Okay. Again, it goes back to the patterns. Or is this just in a different language? Yeah. Alright, let me see. Where's the end? Okay. So there's 8 pages. 8 pages in English, and the rest is a different language. Okay. Taking those apart. Now I am going to assume And we all know what happens when you assume. But you know what? I assumed anyway. There we go. You can just hook them together. This must be the corner one. Now, I want to say I saw on the website that you can actually order the corner, like these things by themselves. I want to say I saw that you could. I opted out of that because I had no clue what I would think of it. Okay. Okay, so you can do like actual squares. I think this long one, I'm glad this thing feels very durable because I'm kind of tugging the crap out of it. Okay, there we got that. Which way did that go in? It went in that way. Oh, don't break, don't break. Awesome. Let's see what this one does. If this one is just to do rake. Okay. Oh, that's cool. So if you want to do something like rake style, you can connect. Let me put this together and show you. Alright, so my initial assessment right now is going to be, this is actually a lot cooler than I expected. Sorry guys, I didn't jump on the Zippy bandwagon sooner. Let's put this long one here. But in all seriousness, KB is one of the few companies that does make looms that hook together that I like. This isn't the review, but I have another video for this one. The adjustable hat loom is fantastic. The gauge is adjustable. Comes with all these pieces. Awesome loom. Also by KB. So KB kind of knows what they're doing, even if there's times when I don't understand it. This is really cool. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to like this more than I had expected to. Let me throw it. You know what? Just push that out of the way. Oh yeah, you also get your loom tool with that set, and you get the book. Now with these little ones, we got more corners. And this comes with okay, I don't think it really has. It's just telling you about the connectors here. Kind of goes through, it doesn't really have picture diagrams, which is what I like. It just kind of gives you some information. It doesn't come with any loom tools or anything. You just have 4 of these corner pieces, which let me see how they went back in here. I don't know. Maybe I should have paid a little more attention. That is definitely not correct. Let's try it this way. Let's see if that... Okay, that looks better. There we go. So, $7.99 for one of these, and everything in it comes in the $30 kit. $7.99 for one of these, and you have 4 of these, plus the same loom tool in the $30 kit. So I'm definitely going to say that it appears that the kit is your best value. And see, it even shows a little smiley face. Make scarves in minutes. And that is cool. It is giving you a pattern that you can use just for the 4. And there's the scarf, the finished project. So that's really nice. So if you kind of wanted to check it out, you have like a 50% off coupon for like Joann's or something, because honestly that's what I had. I had 2 50% off coupons for Joann's, so I got both of these for like $8. Very happy with that. And so I've got the Zippy stuff now, guys. I got it, and I've got a bunch of chunky yarn. So now you have to start giving me ideas of what you want to see made with these looms, because right now I'm not really sure. And if you give me ideas that I like a whole bunch, I will have you email them to me so that I don't forget. Oh no! How do I do this? Is that right? we're going to try it. I just need it to fit down in the box. Okay, now let's see how easy these come apart. Alright. It doesn't feel like it's just going to fall apart on you while you're working on it. Again, this is just my first view assessment, but see how, yeah, is nice. Alright, try to pop. I'm just so used to working with, I'm not going to name names, but there is a loom. If you follow my videos, you'll probably know exactly which one I'm talking about. There is a certain loom that you could put together that is on the market, and I am not a fan of it at all. Like, I'm kind of an anti-fan. Like a super anti-fan. Okay, and we got, these are the long pieces that connect these together to do rake style. You get 4 of these little corner ones to do like a square, and you have 4 of these ones to connect the long pieces together. So it definitely seems like you have a lot of stuff to configure this in a lot of different ways. And I definitely think if this is something you're looking into and you think you'll be interested in it, wait till we have a coupon. I know our Joann's locally doesn't carry this loom set particularly. It just carried these in the corners. They didn't have the kits. But I want to say online, Joann's online has it. There's also the website, KB Looms website, which if you use their website very often, sorry you got all the noise from this. It's going to sound horrible for a second. Okay, stick those down in there. There we go. So, if you shop on KB's website very often, you can get some really cool coupons, which is what I used for this, and I got some other stuff, which is going to be in another review. These I did buy at Joann's with 50% off each item coupons, and here we got Figaro. Figs, you gonna say hi? No. She's like, I just want to find something to lay on. Alright, so, definitely, in the comment section below, tell me the type of patterns, what you want to be able to make out of this. If you're wanting hats and cows or scarves, or if you're wanting to learn more like blankets and such. Seeing as how this is a chunkier, bulkier loom, it will probably be fall, in all honesty, before I really start putting major videos out for it. But I do need ideas. I definitely need ideas. Alright guys, and also let everybody else know what you think of it. If you had any issues with the connectors breaking or issues with the pieces, because just for my first assessment here, it looks like it's made actually really, really good. Because when I first seen these in the store, honestly, I wasn't impressed. Just the look of it, I was like, oh, that's sweet. Like, maybe it's for little kids. But no, this actually, it seems very durable. And I think it's a great way for people, especially if you're new to loom knitting and you want that, like, instant gratification. You can get yourself some bulky yarn. You can work up a scarf in probably an hour on this thing, on this one. Alright guys, okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was informative, because if you get a 50% off coupon, you can get this for 15 bucks, whereas 50% off coupon, you can get this for 8 bucks. So this is obviously the better deal. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you have subscribed, make sure you have the settings turned on so that when I do put out new videos, you will be emailed with every video, so you don't miss a thing. Don't forget to like and share as well. I hope you like it, and I hope you share it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and do not forget to give me ideas in the description down there below. Ideas. Plenty of ideas. Thanks, guys.